Here's how to turn your Instagram profile into a professional account. On your profile, select the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. On this menu, select Settings and Privacy. You're gonna scroll down to about the 6th or the 7th category, which is for professionals. Select Account Type and Tools, select Switch to Professional Account, and then follow all of the prompts that it asks you in this window. If you don't see the category real estate, you're just gonna type in the words real estate. You'll notice there's a bunch of different categories to choose from. Select real estate agent, select display on profile, and then press done. On this window, when it's asking, are you a business or a creator? The main difference between the two is if you have a business account, you'll have the ability to run ads through the Meta Business Center. If you're not interested in running ads, which I totally think that you should, creator is just fine. The other big difference between the two is if you're a creator account, you have access to all of the most trending sounds, but there are still quite a few in the business account. And last but not least, both of these options offer the data and the analytics that you need to make sure that you're successful on your accounts. Once you get to this screen, it's going to prompt you for a bunch of contact information. Once you fill it out, press next.